How to enhance your copywriting skills. To enhance your copywriting skills, there are several strategies you can employ. Study successful copywriting. Analyze and study high-performing copywriting examples from successful brands and campaigns. Pay attention to their language, structure, and persuasive techniques. Read extensively. Read books, articles, and blogs on copywriting, marketing, and persuasive writing. This will help you understand different styles, expand your vocabulary, and gain insights from industry experts. Practice regularly. Practice is crucial for improving your copywriting skills. Write consistently, even if it's just for practice or personal projects. Set aside dedicated time to develop your writing abilities. Understand your target audience. Effective copywriting is tailored to your specific target audience. Research and understand their demographics, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will enable you to craft compelling messages that resonate with your audience. Master the art of storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool in copywriting. Learn to weave narratives that engage your audience, evoke emotions, and create a connection. Use storytelling techniques such as relatable characters, conflict, and resolution. Use persuasive language. Develop your persuasive writing skills by incorporating techniques like emotional appeals, social proof, urgency, and strong calls to action. Learn to highlight the benefits and value of your product or service in a compelling way. Edit and revise. Effective copywriting requires careful editing and revision. Polish your drafts by eliminating unnecessary words, improving clarity, and ensuring a smooth flow. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Seek feedback. Share your copywriting work with peers, mentors, or industry professionals and ask for constructive feedback. Their insights can help you identify areas for improvement and provide valuable suggestions. Stay updated. The field of copywriting is constantly evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, new techniques, and emerging platforms. Attend workshops, webinars, or conferences to continue learning and expanding your knowledge. Experiment and analyze. Don't be afraid to try new approaches and experiment with different copywriting techniques. Monitor the performance of your copy through metrics like conversion rates, engagement, and feedback. Analyze the results to understand what works best and refine your strategies accordingly. By employing these strategies consistently and continuously seeking improvement, you can enhance your copywriting skills and become a more effective and persuasive communicator.